Hello students, welcome back to our channel Uran Academy, Rashtra Military and Sainik School coaching classes.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we were discuss about first four type of pronoun. In this video we will discuss about next four type of pronoun. If you did not watch my last video, please watch it. Otherwise you will not able to understand the concept of pronoun. Let us know about the fifth type of pronoun, that is relative pronoun. The definition of relative pronoun is pronoun that are used to join two sentences and reveal the relation with the noun that comes before it, which means the word is used to join two sentences and show the relation with noun which comes before it. It is relative pronoun. We have some examples of relative pronoun, that is, first is I know the man who is a fighter. I know the man is the first sentence and who is the fighter is second sentence. So the word who connects the two sentences. It is relative pronoun. Second is I like the book which has a hologram. So which is the word that is used here to join two sentences? It is relative pronoun. And these are the words that show the relation with noun. So it is relative pronoun. We have some uses of related pronoun here. First is who. Who is used for persons in nominative case, which means it is used for person who is doing something. Next is whom. Whom is used for person in objective case, which means it is used for the person who is used as an object in the sentence. Third is whose. Whose is used for person in possessive case, which means it is used for the person who is the owner of the sentence. Next is which is used for things. And fifth is that is used with persons as well as things also. Sixth type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. The definition of demonstrative pronoun is the word that is used to indicate noun word is called demonstrative pronoun, which means a word which is used to show a noun word. It is a demonstrative pronoun. Like this is a pen. So this word is used to show a noun. So this is demonstrative pronoun. Next is these are good pens. So these is the word that is used to show pens. So it is demonstrative pronoun. Seventh type of pronoun is distributive pronoun. The definition of distributive pronoun is pronouns that are one among many are called distributive pronoun, which means pronoun that is used as a separator in the place of noun. It is distributive pronoun. Like each of these soldiers has a gun. Each is the word that's showing here that all the soldiers have gun. So each is distributive pronoun. We have some distributive pronouns like none, any, some, each, every, either, neither, no one, everyone, everybody, nobody, etc. These are our distributed pronoun. The last type and the most important pronoun is reflexive pronoun. In this pronoun, the action is done by the subject which turns back upon it. It means in a sentence an action is doing by the subject, it will turns back upon it. In this sentence, self or selves are also added with personal pronoun. We have some example of reflexive pronoun. My plus self is myself. I can do this work myself. So myself is our reflexive pronoun. Them plus selves is themselves. So themselves is our reflexive pronoun. In this pronoun, self or selves is added with personal pronoun. Here is the table of this reflexive pronoun. In first person's subject pronoun I will be changes to me in object. In possessive adjective my will be changes to mine in possessive pronoun. And in reflexive pronoun it will be my will be changes to myself. In second person, subject you remains you in object case, and in possessive adjective it will be changes to your. In possessive pronoun it will be changes to yours, and in reflexive pronoun it will be changes to yourself. In third person male, he will be changes to him in object pronoun and his in possessive adjective. If we want to change it in possessive pronoun, it remains his. If we want to change it in reflexive pronoun, it becomes himself. In third person female, she will be changes to her in object pronoun. In possessive adjective, it remains her. In possessive pronoun, it changes to hers. In reflexive pronoun, it changes to herself. In third person, it remains it in objective pronouns. In possessive adjective, it will its. Possessive pronouns is not used with it, and in reflexive pronoun, it changes to itself. First person plural, we changes to us in object pronoun. If we want to change we in possessive adjective, it will be our. If we want to change it in possessive pronoun, it will be ours, and in reflexive pronoun, it is ourselves. Second person plural, you remains you in objective pronoun. In possessive adjective, it becomes yours. In possessive pronoun, it becomes yours, and in reflexive pronoun, it becomes yourselves. In third person plural, they become them in objective case. In possessive adjective, it become their. In possessive pronoun, it become theirs, and in reflexive pronoun, it become themselves. So here the pronoun is ended. I hope you understand the concept of pronoun. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel.